You too. What's good, man? It's your boy Gershon Texas out here at the Fort Worth Gun Show. You know what I'm talking about. Who I got with me, man?
Lonzo, aka Mr. Big 50K shit in the building. You did?
Yeah. Y'all already know. Got my boy Lonzo with me. Subscribe to the channel, man. 50K shit. Who I got with me, man? Pop your shit, bro. We taking over
Hey,
this.
man. 12 game, 12 game, man. Y'all know what it is, man. Facebook, YouTube, Instagram. Right here kicking it with Big Bro G.
They say we can't record, but guess what? We breaking rules. You know,
I always break rules. Gun brothers, man, for life.
Jelly, pop your shit. They say we can't record, but we finna record. We finna get our $20 back.
Come on, man. Stop playing, man. We in this business. Real big gun brother shit, man.
You already know.
Yeah,
they talking about don't record. Watch this. Look at these. Let me give y'all a little plethora.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Whole lot of gang shit.
Whole lot of game.
I ain't looked at the back of that.
Yeah, they talking about don't record, man. I'm gonna record. You know what I'm talking about? I got to record. You feel me? So, you know, we just gonna get a little footage for y'all, man. A little footery. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna walk around, see what I see, and do me a little recording on the slick side, and we'll be back. You feel me? Stay tuned. Don't y'all go nowhere. It's Gershon Tech, Fort Worth Gun Show, baby. Let's get it.
See, this is freaking American. Come here. I want you to feel this American Velcro. Yeah. So, to get in and out of this, see, and to adjust your width or your girth.
Wait.
See, once you get this adjusted,
They're gonna be right there
to
with
get
me.
in and out of there, all you have to do is you can come in real tight, or you can come out.
Yeah, mine gonna be probably about
Now
right
look
there.
here. Look how big that is.
Yeah.
Now look here.
See, I'm going to bed.
Then you can stretch it out at the back.
I'm fixing to show you where that plate is. This is more adjustment here. See, that section.
So it's for big boys,
So
man.
look here.
Big people too.
See,
Yeah.
we're set up for summer right now. It's 30 degrees out here. That wind's blowing 10 miles an hour. We're going to have winter clothing on.
Yeah.
Okay?
How big of a plate can fit in the other one?
12 by 14. Biggest one? 12 by 13.
Yeah, about 12 by 13.
That's the biggest one.
Yes. You got some plates already?
Nah, cause like I say, the one I got a soft plate in it. I'm gonna get some plates though. I'm gonna get a
So
plate.
I'm saying, I'm trying to see, because I want to buy that one over there.
This is all I got left in stock right now.
Yeah, you can get the plate. You can get the plate.
These hoes ain't covering shit, bro. I bought it, too. They ain't covering shit.
What you want for this? What's the deal you would give, brother?
He said 190.
190 for two.
190 for two.
That shit ain't covering you, though, look.
But it's supposed to be just cover up here. Your heart and your lungs.
Oh, nigga, I need everything covered, nigga.
They don't come way down there. It's gonna stop still.
Hey.
Nigga, the West Coast gotta come out. What,
Jelly,
about
we
up
gotta
there?
lose weight, bro.
Oh, nigga, fuck that. Even you lose weight.
What
nigga,
you think, bro?
nigga.
Tell the truth, shame the devil, man. Don't have us out here bad.
You know, he told me the doctor can sew your stomach up.
Let me see. Put it on 12.
You can't sew your heart up.
Man, look at that, bro. You out here.
Look, these right here, these stuff are designed for your arms. Yeah. You ain't got no arms down here. That's what I'm saying. I got
Listen, what would this guarantee to stop though?
So it's level 3.
Oh, this is the.
Yeah, this is the example here. It goes up to 7.62 by 51, which is basically a 308 round. So this was out of an AK, AR, Glock with a 9mm, another AR. I even got a video of it on my phone if y'all want to see the same plate get shot.
Shit. What brand are these, brother?
So these right here are RMA. This one right here was AR 500.
All right, so 5.56 right here,
Mm-hmm.
9 right there,
9,
AK.
3, 5, 5, 6, AK. So it's holding. We ain't really got no dent in it. Oh, he's shooting.
Yeah, that was me and my buddy shooting it. So that's that plate right there.
See, and that's how
Oh, so you put the
he put
you
it
put
on.
the dents in there.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey, Jelly, you gotta show him the vest though, to let him see. Cause I mean,
Cause the place well, me and Jelly tripping off of the place the only cover. I don't even know what kind of plate you get. It's still gonna come up here.
all right. So my man, if you don't mind,
We gonna have to get us
educate
a plate
us
right
on what does one look for when they looking for a quality plate, if you don't mind? Is it what? Because we looking at the size and all that's cool, but what do you want? What do you want?
100% upfront with you. Steel plates are the lower tier of plates simply because I carry these because they're the cheapest. Most people are willing to pay for plates at a gun show. Ceramic plates are the nice plates. Those can run you $600 a plate. And those are those thick ones. They're designed to stop 30-06 like armor penetrating rounds. Crazy stuff. No one wants to buy that at a gun show. So that's why I carry this stuff. This stuff is your entry level, but it's certified. There's people here at gun shows and other places that sell you Chinese level dog shit. When you're looking for a plate, you want made in the U.S. and you want NIJ certified. It doesn't have to be made in the U.S., but you want it to be certified.
By what?
By the National Institute of Justice. So if you look at this plate right here, should say, threat level, type 3. And if you, I can get you a link, you can pull that up and it'll show you, if you scan that, it might actually show you.
Let me check that out, brother. Yeah. So you say threat level type 3?
Type 3.
That's what you want, though.
Level 3.
Level 3 is going to be
so level 4 is the other shit you
level 4 ceramic or polyethylene body armor. That's going to be super expensive. It's lighter though than this stuff, but it's just, I mean, it literally is like, it adds about 2 inches to your particular pair. So that's what y'all want to be looking for.
But this help when you running around and shit and you want to stay light.
This is one of the things. It's like they put as much effort as they can into making it as comfortable and mobile as possible.
Because this for your arms, like you're saying, for your neck.
It's also curved. Are you familiar with like how tank armor works, sloped armor? Basically, the concept is if a round's going to hit this, it's got, because of the bend, it's got more to go through than if it's just flat.
Right.
That's why I tested the flat one so you can see even on flat what it does.
Yeah, so on the curve, it's really going to hold it.
And on top of that, it's comfortable, fits your chest better. Once again, you get the most ergonomics out of it.
I'm coming. Just mobbing down through Fort Worth gun store. Just picked up a couple patches. Not really too much. They got a couple Glock magazines right there. You got what I need, bro.
5.7.
Heidi ho. It's Lonzo.
Yes, indeed. Y'all make sure y'all rock with the gun bro. Big gun bro shit.
Y'all better.
We make them build firearms and crews. You figure deal. Yes, indeed.
Yes. Y'all heard that. We make them build firearms and crews. We do. Little Ruger 5.7. Action.
Oh, there you go. We're gonna come in and get
Oh yeah, all of that.
Price tag.
He want like 1,200 for him. Like 13. I would get a 19.
What you think about this one, Zo?
That?
Yeah.
That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's dope.
Look like they got some heat in this joint, man. They definitely got some heat in this thing, man. Heat, brother. Heat.
No, I had to get 2 matches in a row. That was just later.
I don't want that little. That's too low, bro. I don't want that, man. You gotta graduate. Bro, I'm not gonna be walking around with this, man. Hey, I do.
Hey, that all black one tough, though. What caliber is that all black one?
See, they big. You see how big they is? They want me to walk around with it. Hey, I need something that fits my hand.
Zola frail ass don't want to handle a 50 cal, y'all.
Boy, I only pull that out when it's time to show
That's a
up.
357 right there. The gold. Yep. The one beside it is 44 Magnum. That's a 44. That one are
Oh, that Reaper tough. That Reaper is serious business, man. What the training day gun? I told you so. I'm finna get mine. What? Huh? They on they Nazi shit up in here. They Nazi stuff. Man,
Say you putting this on YouTube, nigga?
yeah.
Crazy than a motherfucker, man. What's your YouTube channel?
Man, Gershon Tactics,
Say,
man.
Gershon Tactics, man. This your boy Charleston White, the real Charleston White, tuned in with Gershon Tactics, man. This nigga is crazy than a motherfucker.
Hey, look, I appreciate
sneaking mine.
that, bro.
I'm on YouTube too.
Hey,
I'm
look,
sneaking, though.
Charles,
Yeah,
listen.
sneaking in the
I'm gonna
door.
tell you, listen, bro. I told him we paid $20 to get in this motherfucker.
Yeah.
I got to get my $20 back. I got to get my $20 back, man. Some kind of way, bro. Hey, but hey, you a real one, bro.
Already,
You
I'm
a
by
real one.
myself too,
You
man.
a real
See, I'm
one,
going
bro.
by myself.
Hey, listen, it's all love on my end, man.
Already,
I know this shit.
They don't allow any filming of pictures in the show.
I got what I came for. I appreciate it. I'm finna cut it off now. I'm finna cut it off now. Hey, this the man of the hour. I got what I came for. So listen, I met my dog now. Well, he gonna be my dog because he a real one. But listen, I got what I came for. This the man of the hour. If I get kicked out now, I feel good. I feel good because he doing a lot for Fort Worth and the DF Dub. You know what I'm talking about? Hey man, you already know what it is. We leaving the Fort Worth Gun Show, man. Me and my gun bros. It's your boy Gershon Tactics. We just did our thing, man. You know what I'm saying? They tried to put me out for doing a little film. But you know they can't fade your boy. You know what I'm talking about? We gonna get that footage, man, at all costs. At all costs. We gonna get that footage, YouTube. You know how it go. YouTube! It's your boy Gershon Tactics. You know what I'm talking about? We gonna get that footage at all costs, baby. Hey, look. Y'all boy pop y'all shit, man.
Hey, man. Tools the game, man. Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, all that shit, man. Original Gun Bro, man.
Tell them what we just did, man.
Gun bro shit, man. Y'all know who the fuck I am, man. Tune in, man. Make it them jelly, man. Goddamn, man.
Fuck that gun show up.
You know what I'm talking about? We went in there, did our thing. We went in there and did our thing, and we out.